Many years ago, it was springtime and I wanted to go to the Western Tetons to go hiking. So my father and I flew up over there to see what lakes were breaking up. He said, let's fly up to Butte and see what that looks like. So we flew up here and we did a 360 around the area. And I said, I'm going to live there. Okay, Resodyn Corporation is a research and development company founded in 1994. What's unique about the Resodyn mixing technology is that we use sound energy for mixing, and we enable people to make products much more cost effectively than they can with other means. We enable people to do things, to mix things they cannot mix any other way. Any combination of materials, solids, liquids, gases. There are no blades or impellers in the mixed fluid itself. Nobody else in the world produces this kind of a technology. Our competition is literally conventional methods of mixing. And quite frankly, we don't sell a mixer, we sell a value proposition. So we have a device that's very unique that allows people to make products 10 to 100 times faster than they could currently, better dispersion, more uniformity, more repeatability. This technology has become the mixer of choice globally because it does not have blades that may contact the wall and cause a spark. It is much safer. It mixes materials that have a much more higher density than you can with conventional mixers. In 2004, we bought the Hennessy building. Resodyn occupies the top 2 floors and the basement for our mixing laboratories. Then across the street, we have a 23,000 square foot manufacturing facilities where we do our manufacturing and our process development work. It's a premier location for us to be located here in Butte, Montana. One form of marketing that we've taken on is to the attendance of trade shows. We're able to demonstrate the technology to potential clients, and offspring of those demonstrations at the trade shows is often a visit to the client's facility where we're able to take our machine to the facility and mix their materials in place to demonstrate its capabilities over their conventional methods of mixing. Another method for us to market the technology is to solicit clients to send us their materials for us to mix at our facility. What we do then is mix their materials, provide them a test report, provide their materials back, and then they test their materials to see if it has enhanced properties over their conventional. We're now inviting clients to come here to our facility, and also we're visiting clients to give live demonstrations. One great advantage of having the clients come to our facility is that we have a full staff of process engineers and development engineers that interact with the client when they do come here, so they see the level of expertise that we do have. They're able to see the facilities, the kind of machines that we're making, and really get a good feel for the people who are behind the product, and also the products as they're developed across the street. So over the years, Resodyn has done an annual conference here in Butte, Montana. Last year we had 65 live attendees and 40 virtual attendees at the conference. So it's a very successful event that we run for 3 days. We have demonstrations, we have discussions. Clients actually come to the conference and give talks about use of the technology in mixing their products, which is a great benefit to other people to see at the time. Yeah, we're very enthusiastic about inviting customers to Butte to experience the wonderful city, the outdoors year-round in Montana, and for them to fall in love with the area that I fell in love with 40 years ago.